Hi, I'm David Santiago, and I'm coming to you from the Angelica Film Center during New York by Design and Soho Design Day to showcase Provision furniture. And what we wanted to create was a cozy, cohesive, easy vibe that everyone would just feel familiar with.
It makes me feel like home. It makes me feel like I'm in a comfy place.
I love it so much. It has like the perfect balance of minimalist and sophistication pieces.
The minute I sat in that chair, I said, oh my God, the ergonomics of this chair are so well thought out.
It pulled you right in. It just engulfed you and you didn't want to get up. So we look forward to you following Provision, and go to provision.com so you can stay connected on when they're having their exclusive sales, their new introductions, and more importantly, serve your lifestyle needs.